Alright, so let's go through this coordinate geometry question. So we have these two lines, right? So these two lines are perpendicular. They want us to find what is the coordinate of coordinate D, right? Okay, so first we need to understand one thing is that for perpendicular line, there is a relationship, right? So for example, if this red color line is, for example, is 2. The purple color line have a gradient of, you flip it, you change the sign, meaning that this is positive, this will be negative. That is the relationship between the two perpendicular lines. Okay, so with regards to that, let's solve this thing. Okay, first you calculate what is the gradient of BC. So when you do that, right, so you just use y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So, okay, this part, okay, maybe I say this point 2 and this point 1. So you just use 3 minus negative 2 over 8 minus 0. So what you get is 5 over 8. Positive 5 over 8. So the gradient of this thing is 5 over 8. Okay, what about the gradient of the purple color line, which is the perpendicular of this red color line, right? So you just use, okay, for this without doing any calculation, you just flip the thing. So it's equal to 8 over 5. Next thing, you change the sign, meaning that this is positive, right? This must be negative. So, okay, after you get this, now it's time to find what is the equation of the first line and what is the equation of the second line. Okay, so let's do the first line first. So y, so okay, let's do the first line. So y is equal to 5 over 8x plus c. Because the equation of a line is y equal to mx plus c. So what is important is actually to find what your gradient and your c. So now I know the gradient. Now it's only the time to find your c, right? Okay, c very simple. You just need to sub in any coordinate that lie on the red color line. Okay, so for simplicity's sake, I just put coordinate b. So negative 2, you sub inside here. 0, you sub inside here. So when you do that, right, you will get, my c is equal to negative 2. The equation of the first line will be y equal to 5 over 8x minus 2. Okay, so that's the equation of first line. Okay, now we go on to the second line. Second line is negative 8 over 5, and there's a coordinate of 5 and 5. So you just sub. So second line, y equal to negative 8 over 5x plus c. So, okay, now you want to find c, right? You need to sub in 5, 5, 5. So a bit of e-maths also. So 5 here, 5 here. So the left hand side, 5. Right hand side, negative 8 plus c. So the c will be equal to 5 plus 8, 1, 3. So, okay, now we form the second equation, which is negative 8 over 5x plus 13. So that is the second, the equation of the second line. Okay, the last part, to find the intersection of these two lines, which is D, right? You just need to put the two equations together. So that's what you learn in Sec 1 or Sec 2, right? So okay, so you put all these two equations together, meaning you put this and this together first. So 5 over 8x minus 2 is equal to negative 8 over 5x plus 13. Okay, move all the x together to the left hand side, right? So 5 over 8x plus 8 over 5x. Okay, the 2 you move to the negative 2 you move to the right hand side. So it's 2 plus 1, 3. So okay, let's calculate the left hand side. 5 over 8 plus 8 over 5. So this will give you roughly 89 over 40x equal to 15. So okay, let's find what is your x first. So this is your x coordinate of the point D. Okay, so quite a ugly number. 6 over 89. Oh, okay, so that's the x coordinate, right? Okay, next we want to find y coordinate. This one I believe you know how to do. So you just need to submit any of the equation. So for example, I just submit the first equation. So y is equal to 5 over 8 bracket 6 over 8 9 minus 2. So what you get is, okay, let's calculate first. 5 over 8 minus 2. So you should get 2, 1, 9, 89. So the coordinate of D will be, so this part, right? Okay, so this part will be 2, or not 2, 6, 6, 6, 8, 9. 6, 6, 6, 8, 9, comma, 2, 1, 9, 8, 9. 2, 1, 9, 89. Alright, so that's how you do this question.